Wealth creation, insights from the past and present. Wealth creation is the ultimate goal of investors, businesses, and economies. The Wealth Creation Study, 1993 to 1998, by Motilal Oswal Securities provided key insights into the traits of wealth-creating companies. By analyzing data from that period and comparing it with present-day trends, we can extract timeless principles of investing and highlight today's top wealth creators. Understanding wealth creation. Wealth creation is the process through which companies enhance the market value of the capital entrusted to them by shareholders. The study analyzed the top 100 wealth creators and 50 wealth destroyers from 1993 to 1998 in the Indian stock market. Key characteristics of wealth creators 1993 to 1998. Strong consumer franchise. Companies with strong consumer demand and brand loyalty created consistent wealth. Example, Hindustan Lever, Hero Honda. Superior business economics. High return on equity, ROE, and return on capital employed, ROAS, were common among wealth creators. Low asset intensity. Asset-light businesses with minimal capital requirements, example, IT companies like Wipro and Satyam, outperformed capital-intensive industries. Competitive advantage. Businesses with strong brands, superior technology, and operational efficiency stood out. Valuation discipline. Companies with high ROE, bought at reasonable price to earnings, PE, multiples, offered the best investment returns. Wealth creators then versus now. Top wealth creators 1993 to 1998. The 1993 to 1998 study highlighted Satyam Computers, Wipro, Hero Honda, and Hindustan Lever as major wealth creators. These companies benefited from India's economic liberalization, IT boom, and growing consumer base. Top wealth creators 2018 to 2023. The latest Motilal Oswal Wealth Creation Study 2023 identifies today's biggest wealth creators. Reliance Industries, RIL, India's largest wealth creator for 6 consecutive years, driven by its digital, geo, and retail expansion. TCS and AM, Infosys, IT services giants that continue to dominate the global tech outsourcing industry. HDFC Bank, India's leading private bank, known for its consistent growth and profitability. Adani Enterprises, a high-growth infrastructure and energy player expanding into green energy. Bharti Airtel, a leader in the telecom sector, benefiting from the 5G revolution. What drives wealth creation today? 1. The power of compounding and digital transformation. Companies like TCS, Infosys, and Reliance Jio demonstrate how digital transformation fuels exponential growth. The IT sector, once an emerging industry in 1998, has now become India's largest export sector. 2. The rise of asset-light businesses. Zomato, Nykaa, and Paytm show that consumer tech and platform-based companies can generate significant wealth with minimal physical assets. 3. Banking and financial services, a strong wealth engine. HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank have leveraged digital banking, credit expansion, and financial inclusion to become wealth creators. 4. Green energy and infrastructure boom. Adani Green and Tata Power are at the forefront of India's renewable energy transformation, similar to how oil and gas companies drove wealth creation in the past. 5. Consumer and FMCG growth continues. Hindustan Unilever, Nestle, and Britannia have maintained dominance by adapting to changing consumer preferences and focusing on premiumization. Lessons from wealth destroyers. Just as the study analyzed wealth creators, it also identified wealth destroyers. The biggest wealth destroyers, 1993 to 1998, were companies in steel, textiles, and capital-intensive sectors. Wealth destroyers today. Companies with high debt and poor governance, example Vodafone Idea, DHFL, have struggled. Slow-moving public sector banks have lost market share to private and digital-first banks. The lesson? Avoid businesses with excessive capital intensity, weak competitive advantages, or poor financial discipline. How to identify future wealth creators? Look for high ROE and ROEs. Companies consistently generating 20% plus ROE, like HDFC Bank, TCS, tend to outperform. Focus on businesses with scalability. Tech-driven and asset-light businesses scale faster with lower costs. Watch for industry trends. Renewable energy, AI, and digital banking are future growth areas. Assess management quality. Strong leadership and governance are key.